And this is it guys, grabe, ito na po talaga ang best day ever. Ito na po ang aming bagong sasakyan. Hey guys, good morning. So today's video guys, grabe po talaga ang blessing na natanggap namin po ngayon. Sa makikita niyo po, that's our car. And then plano po talaga namin mag-asawa ni David ay bibili po kami ng another car which is second-hand po. Dahil ang sasakyan na po ito, ang dami po talagang problema and it's costing us $7,000 a year every time we're fixing it. And we thought na it's time to get rid of it at ibenta po siya. So instead, bibili po kami ng another second-hand car. And yesterday lang guys, tumawag po yung in-law ko sa asawa ko and they offered us na bibilhan po kami ng another bago po na sasakyan. Sabi po talaga kasi hindi po talaga kami nag-expect. As I said to my previous vlog na wala talaga kaming ine-expect sa biyenan ko or humihingi kami kung may mga problema po kami. And grabe po talaga guys, yung blessing na hindi ko po ine-expect. Kasi kung sarili po naming pera, hindi po talaga namin iisipin na bibili po kami ng bagong sasakyan. Kasi nga, nag-iipon po kami, pambili po sa bahay. Na-touch lang po talaga ako guys. Kasi ang balak po talaga namin na bibili lang po kami ng second-hand na sasakyan na it can run cheaper than our car. At kahapon lang guys, nagkausap po ang biyenan ko at asawa ko na bibilhan po kami nila ng bagong sasakyan. So today, it's our appointment doon sa dealer to see kung magustuhan daw namin yung sasakyan na ibibili po nila sa amin. David's here. Honey, you look so happy.
Thank you.
Are you excited? You're getting your new car now?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
So what you gonna say about to your parents that they're gonna buy us a new car?
Well, I really appreciate it. It's very kind and generous.
Yeah, I mean, we're never expecting this, and if it's, it's really gonna happen, it will be our first time to have a new car.
Yeah, the very first time in any of our lives.
Yeah, Dave's now is in 40s. First time niya talaga magkaroon ng bagong sasakyan. How do you feel?
Yeah, I feel really good. It's very happy day today.
Happy day today. So this afternoon, we're going to the dealer.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, to see the car. And let's see if Dave's like it. You're gonna taste drive.
Yeah, I'm going to give it a test drive.
Yeah. I am very excited to see the car. Do you know what color to choose?
It's color white, which is a very safe color.
Yeah, and what brand the car? Because I don't know much about the car. What is it?
MG.
MG. So guys, never po talaga namin ito, we demand it sa biyenan po namin. As in, like what I said, na we do contact each other. And then, nabanggit po namin na bibili po kami ng second-hand na sasakyan. As a family, we sharing each other. And yun nga guys, it's such a blessing. Super blessing, honey.
Yeah.
Na hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy po yung blessing that we got this house. Now, we're getting a new car, honey.
Yeah, it's a very good luck for us recently, that's for sure.
Yeah. So guys, ito po talaga ang sasakyan namin na balak na po namin palitan. But this car, it's been working hard to us. He used to tow our caravan. And yes, we are very, very grateful na we have this car. But it's time to change na kasi. Kaya yun nga, ibebenta na namin siya. At si David, parang naglilinis siya dito kasi nagbabacuum yung asawa ko. Dahil balak na talaga namin to ibebenta. Malaki po ang sasakyan na ito. Yung biyenan ko, sila na po ang nagpa-appointment para sa amin. For sure, yung asawa ko, super excited po talaga siya. Kasi siya naman talaga yung nagda-drive. Ako kasi, ang sasakyan na ito, it's a manual. Parang nahihirapan ako. And yan din po ang iniisip namin. Kailangan po namin bumili ng another second-hand car. Yung automatic po talaga para mag-start na po ako pag-driving. I know how to drive, but I don't have a license yet. But after all, it's another day. It's another blessing. So, maglakad-lakad muna tayo dito sa amin. Hi, neighbors. Ito talaga ang maganda sa Australia. Early in the morning, marami kayong maririnig ng mga ibon. At peaceful na peaceful po talaga. Wala kayong maririnig ng mga music or someone screaming early in the morning. And yung mga tao talaga dito kasi, they keep their own privacy. Coffee muna tayo, guys. Pang pagising lang hang marialasin. I might just dreaming na we're getting a new car. I mean, never ko talaga to ina-expect na mga blessing. Kasi alam niyo naman talaga guys, very struggling ang pagbalik ko dito sa Australia. Yung akala talaga namin na hindi kami makakuha ng bahay. And nagsunod-sunod po talaga ang blessing. Kaya nagpapasalamat talaga ako kay God. At syempre guys, sabyanan ko from being generous to us. Of course, once in a lifetime lang po talaga guys. Kasi kung kami siguro, hindi talaga kami siguro makabili ng bagong sasakyan. Kasi mas prepare po talaga namin yung mga sikanhan. Kasi yun po ang ma-afford namin. Kasi doon ka lang talaga kung saan ka maka-afford. At anyway, ang sasakyan na ito namin ay 20 years old na po siya. Mga pang third owner na po kami. And originally po talaga, yung may-ari nito, it's a farmer. So this afternoon, mga 3 p.m. po ang aming appointment to see the car. David's here. Hi.
Hello, Honeybee. Good morning. I brought you something.
Thank you. What is it?
It's toast.
It's what?
Strawberry and cream.
How about you?
I'm going to have breakfast soon myself.
Do you want to join with me?
Yeah.
Thank you. You're so sweet. Somebody very sweet. Honey, you're rash. You still have rash.
I know, I have a rash
So
on my
guys,
face.
if you're gonna ask why Dave's face is color red, he still have rash. And we don't know what's the causing it.
Yeah, I
Or
know.
can you have an allergy or maybe from your medicine, it's a reaction.
I always have a rash before. It's just worse this time.
Yeah, it's not
It's
good.
from the sun.
Wow, this is nice, honey. This is strawberry jam.
Yeah.
Cool. Yummy. And on the top, it's a cream. Hi, Sylvester. Wow. That looks nice. This story of Sylvester, it's really entertaining him talaga. Show me, Sylvester. Whoa, that looks cool. I think that's his favorite toy. Oh. So today, Sylvester, we are going to the city.
Yay!
Do you know what we're gonna do there? We're going to buy a new car. We're gonna pick up our new car.
Yay!
Are you excited?
Yay for the Hot Wheels! I'm so happy.
You're very happy? Oh. Oh, you're so sweet, boy. We're happy too, Sylvester. Sylvester, can you say thank you very much, Grandma?
Thank you very much, Grandma. Thank you, Grandpa. We really appreciate.
We really appreciate. That's so kind of you. And here we are guys, nandito na po kami sa car dealer para mag-test drive po yung asawa ko kung magustuhan niya po. Actually, ang car na ito po yung model. Ito po yung model na ibibili po sa amin ng biyenan ko. Pero hindi po ito ang kulay because our car is color white po ang binili po nila sa amin. And si Sylvester nag-request siya, ito daw yung bibili namin. Oh my God, this is very, very expensive car. At ito na nga guys, yung asawa ko, he tried to drive this car to see kung magustuhan niya po, and I think we love it. Do you like the car?
Yeah.
It's nice, isn't it? Kakabalik lang po namin, and yes, na-drive na po namin yung sasakyan. So, let's ask David if he really likes the car. Do you like the car?
Yeah, I really like it. It's easy to drive. It's an automatic.
And yes, sobrang nagustuhan po ng asawa ko yung bagong sasakyan. Kaya after 5 days ay makukuha na po namin ang sasakyan. We are here at Adelaide City. We're gonna pick up our new car.
Yay.
Sylvester, we're gonna pick up our new car now. Yay!
What color is it, Sylvester?
What color? Mag-ride po kami ng bus dahil hindi po namin dinala ang aming sasakyan. What number is this? Hindi po kami nagdala ng sasakyan dahil para mas madali po talaga na madala ni David agad yung bagong sasakyan dahil hindi ako marunong mag-drive. So we take a bus. It takes around mga 45 minutes po. Makadating na po kami doon sa car dealer. And this is it guys. Grabe, ito na po talaga ang best day ever. Ito na po ang aming bagong sasakyan. Sobrang sayang-saya po talaga namin ngayon. I mean, may mga bagay po talaga na never mong hiniling pero kusang dumating dahil sa sobrang blessed mo talaga. Hi guys! Finally! I am so happy. Dave, are you happy?
Yeah, we got the new car.
Nag-drive na yung asawa ko sa bago naming sasakyan. Ipapakita ko po sa inyo mamaya. Ituro ko po kayo sa aming new car. So at the moment, pauwi pa po kami. Sylvester! Are you happy? Are you happy that we have a new car now? Yes! guys, so it's very nice to drive po talaga guys. Ibang-iba talaga pag bago. So yung ngiti ko talaga hanggang tenga, how thankful and grateful I am. Uwi po muna kami sa aming bahay dahil iniwan po talaga namin ang aming sasakyan. We take a bus actually para talaga madala ito ni David at madrive niya. Otherwise, ang hirap talaga pag dalawang car, hindi ako marunong mag-drive. So guys, see you in the house. Ayoko ma-distract yung asawa ko. Pagdating na lang po sa bahay, ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang inside ng aming bagong car. Guys, we're back. So our car in our house now. Honey, what do you feel right now?
I'm very happy we got the car, and I want to thank my parents. Really nice of them.
Yeah, it is our first time po talaga magkaroon ng bagong sasakyan. So we are very thankful. Ganito pala ang feeling when you purchase new car, honey.
Yeah, that's right.
It's too much exciting. And of course, we have two brand new key. So guys, ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang inside ng car. Siyempre, masasabi ko lang po talaga sa in-laws ko na hindi po namin ito hiniling at kusang loob po talaga nila ito binigay sa amin. Kaya I'm very thankful and super grateful po talaga sa mga blessing po this year na natanggap po namin. Tara guys, let's see the inside of our new car. So this is the drive seat kung saan magdadrive ang asawa ko. It's quite really roomy and I really love it. So pasok po tayo. So, mayroon po ditong touchscreen, which is, there is Google Map direction. Ilagay nyo lang po yung destination nyo, which is very useful po talaga siya. Kasi I believe sa panahon ngayon ay usong-uso na po talaga gumamit ng map. And also guys, pag nagpa-parking kami or nagre-reverse po yung sasakyan, may camera po siya sa likod. Makikita po namin sa screen. Can you please show us, Sunny?
Yeah.
So, example lang po to guys. If we're going to reverse, oops, ayan. So, that's the behind of our car. And ayan po yung mga line. Yan po talaga ang guide kung saan po mismo natin ipapark yung sasakyan. Which is, we're very amazed dahil wala po kaming ganto. Sa old car namin ay wala po kaming ganto. And to be honest guys, wala talaga akong masyadong kaalam-alam sa sasakyan. Kasi I don't drive. And sa Pilipinas, wala kaming sasakyan. Meron lang po kaming bangka. So, more on, may alam ako sa mga bangka kaysa sasakyan. Can you try to park, honey? Perfectly? Yes. At least, pag kayo, nagpa-parking, wala talaga kayong mababangga sa likod. There we go. Good job. So, dito ako nakaupo at ito yung drive seat kung saan nagdadrive yung asawa ko. Bagong-bago po talaga. And marami ditong mga seatings kung magpatugtog kayo or pag may tumatawag. And yes, dito naman guys, I'm really used to it. Sa old car namin ay may malaking box dito in the middle. Pero dito, ibang design siya. Parang more open up. And meron po ditong lalagyan ng dalawang tumbler. But I do really like it, yung sa isang sasakyan namin, na may malaking box dito. Kasi malalagay mo talaga yung mga papeles or whatever na i-hide mo sa box. Usually, hinahide ko yung cellphone ko sa box, yung sa old car namin. At ito, yung car na ito ay automatic guys. Automatic po to. Tapos, meron po ditong charger. And this is a cigarette. So, you can have multiple charger here. Tapos dito, pwede kayong magpatugtog from FM radio and Apple CarPlay. Hindi ko pa talaga siya masyado tinatouch. Kasi kailangan kong kumuha ng driver license. So, yung asawa ko talaga totally ang magdadrive nito. And dito naman ay another box na pwede nating ipanglalagay kung anong mga papel dyan. Pwede mo yan siya malak. Pwede po ba? Kasi yung sa amin, pwede namin yung nalock yung sa isang car. And ito, for the aircon or fan. So, that's all pretty much sa front po, guys. Maganda po talaga siya. At sa likod na tayo, guys. Ayan, dito si Sylvester. He have a car seat already, guys. Kasi it's very illegal dito sa Australia. Pag walang car seat yung bata, the police can pull you over. Siyempre, may penalty yan guys, which is, I don't know how much kasi never pa kami na-fold over ng police. Actually, bagong-bago talaga yan na car seat kasi hindi namin dinala ang originally talaga na car seat ni Sylvester doon sa old car namin. Bumili na lang kami, which is cost lang $40, which is grabe na yan guys. Murang-mura na yan. So, let's open guys. There we go. This is in the back. Very roomy po siya din. Pasok po ako. Sundan niyo po ako. Hi! I'm here! So, it's nice. Maamoy mo talaga ang bagong-bagong sasakyan. I'm very allergic sa amoy ng bagong sasakyan kasi it's quite strong and it's make me like to vomit actually pag bago talaga yung sasakyan. So, I don't know how long na mawala tong smell ng bagong sasakyan. Sa likod na tayo guys. Alam niyo po ba, kami talaga ni David, we really having trouble to open this one. Dahil normally, you can press something from the bottom, tapos mag-open na yung likod. And we have no idea. Pinaglalaroan na namin yung case, like, maybe you can press this one, maybe you can press this one. And later on, we don't know talaga guys, we're quite ignorant kasi bago talaga yung sasakyan. Tinawagan talaga namin yung dealer how to open and it's very very easy. Anyway guys, ang model ng sasakyan nito ay mababasa niyo po, MG. Ayan. So yan po ang model ng bagong sasakyan namin. And how to open is, you just have to press the MG. Ayan. Tapos, you have to fold it. So, di ba guys, ibang-iba talaga siya to other car. And meron po silang mga pabigay sa amin. MG na ball para kang Sylvester. Moving together, moving with you. And of course, they give us wine. So, honey, this is for us to celebrate. Are you gonna drink this one?
Yeah, I'll have a little bit.
Just a little bit kasi we're not very alcoholic. And ayan, ito yung mga for warranty. Yes, ito po yung book na ang sasakyan na ito ay it has warranty for 10 years. Wow. Oh, that's very long warranty po talaga guys. For 10 years yeah. So I better keep this one here. And ito I don't know kung ano to. Let's open it.
We also have 10 years roadside assistance.
Do we?
Yeah.
That's good. That's a good deal.
Yeah.
Okay, let's open this one. Kung ano ito. I think this is for if we ever break down somewhere in the road. Tapos, you have to put this one in the back, honey.
Yeah.
Wait. So, someone can see our car from the back. Lalo na pag gabi, it's reflecting to the light. Okay, this is really good. Thanks to you guys for giving us this one. Better bring this one inside, honey, so we can drink it. So guys, this is not very often that we show you normally that we're buying something, a car, a new car. It's just we are very proud that we have this blessing that, you know, your parents give this one to us. We're just very, very happy and very, very thankful, of course. And what are you gonna say, honey?
Yeah, thank you, Mum and Dad. This is a really nice present, and we're very happy we can get really good use out of this with a 10-year warranty.
Yeah, and it is your first time to have a new car. Nung nandun po kami sa dealer, oh my God, the feeling.
Yeah, there's a bow on the car.
And I was so excited. Like, for the first time na magkaroon ng ganito na alam ko, mahal po talaga. Kaya we don't buy this kind of things talaga normally. But because we are so proud na we have this blessing.
Really nice. Now we have a car that doesn't have to always be in the mechanic and costing us so much money to fix all the time. And it's very nice to drive. It doesn't use much fuel. It's a really nice car.
Yeah, gusto talaga ng asawa ko ang sasakyan na to. Of course, I will support my husband kung saan siya masaya. So, masaya din ako na masaya yung asawa ko. Ganyan po talaga ang blessing. You never know kung kailan po darating. So, positive lang po talaga. No matter what people saying to us, we just trying to be positive. Let's just be positive lang and you never know yung blessing ay sunod-sunod lang yan papasok sa buhay mo. And that's all for today's video, guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Bye!